Hello everyone, myself Dr. Yogesh Patel, a founder of Physio Joint Clinic from Ahmedabad with having 10 years of experience in neurological conditions. After a stroke, one common problem which patients are facing is connecting their brain with their hand. And here comes the RehabVeda R1 technology, which creates a gap between them by using a technology known as brain-computer interference technology. It converts the patient's thoughts in real hand movements. So whenever device is connected to the patient's head, the thought process which creates in his mind gets directly as a feedback in his front of his eyes. We have applied this device on so many patients and we have seen gradually improvement in the fine motor movements within very few sessions. RehabVeda R1 is truly transforming the journey of a stroke patients who are suffering from the loss of hand movements. I highly recommend everyone to use this device who are suffering from neurological issue and see the miracle in their life. Thank you.